If you've ever built an electrical system for your truck, you know it's a full-on project on its own. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys the REDARC QuickFit75. This is a full pre-wired system that will get rid of that pile of parts that you have to compile yourself, do all the research for. This here is professionally laid out. All the wires are ran through channels that hide all the wires, and everything that is shown is just a professional looking finished product. The QuickFit kit comes in two options, the 75 and the 100. The 75 is for the 75 that is on the Manager Alpha 75. When you get the 100, you will get the Manager 100 instead. So this is going to be the main hub for all your charging needs. This guy right here will allow you to charge both from your solar, from your alternator on your vehicle, or from just a standard plug you can find at your house or at a campsite. So one of the main reasons why you would want to go with this setup here versus doing the research, getting everything separately, and hope it works is that this here comes exactly how you see it here. It comes on this tray here. All your bus bars and resettable fuses and everything is already on this tray. And this tray has mounting holes you can pretty much throw into anything. So whether you're mounting this system on plywood or an aluminum setup like what we're going to do with our Tundra, everything is already laid out. And in the future, if you decide to add anything to the system, everything is already preset. You don't have to do any rewiring like you normally would if you were to add anything on a system that you built just for that specific reason. This is expandable, so it has some extra fuses and bus bars and stuff that you can attach more things down the road. So the main reason why I decided to go with the QuickFit kit is because I am not that great at wiring, to be honest, which is why we have our guys here to do all of that. So I wanted it super simple, very professional looking, everything kind of already pre-built for me. And all I had to do was just attach all the accessories I want to this system and be done with it. One of the things I really wanted to have in my electrical system is a way to easily see how everything's doing. So this guy right here, this is the RedVision. So this display will allow you to see all your components. So if you have water tanks, if you have batteries, you can turn things on using this, and you can also use your phone as well that can pair to this, and you'll be able to control it both in this, whether you're in the camper, outside the camper, or from your phone where you're just sitting at camp and you want to clip on your camp lights or anything like that, you could do so. Or if you want to check your battery life, it's on here as well. And the one thing I really like with this is that it actually will show you a percentage, and it's very accurate, unlike others on the market. I have a lot of portable batteries that will tell me a percentage, but when I go to use it, it drains way faster than I expected. And that's one of the things that REDARC prides himself on, is just the accuracy of everything. So if it tells you it has a certain percentage, it actually has that percentage left. And it will tell you how long it's going to take to fully deplete your batteries on what you're currently using. And that way you're not surprised later down the road where something died or your batteries died sooner than you expected it to. And this was what worked truck before I got it. And I fully kind of restored the paint as much as I could, minus the rust on some of the body panels, and put this Tune Outdoor M1 camper on it. And I mainly wanted to use this kind of as an ultimate camping vehicle for myself, my family, and I just wanted to be as built with quality parts and as reliable as it can be. So there's a couple brands on the market that are super reliable. REDARC being one of the top guys out there. This kit is nowhere near as affordable as what you can find on Amazon, but it will be super reliable. It's serviceable, it's easy, it looks professional, and it's something that if you want to build something using quality parts, REDARC is one of those brands you can rely on. Now let's dive in a little bit at everything that you see here. So we did talk a little bit about the Manager Alpha 75 already, and how this is kind of your hub for all your charging needs. You can also use this to jumpstart your vehicle starting battery if you somehow drain it, or for example, if you were at camp for too long and your factory starting battery dies, and you can use your house battery to jumpstart your starting battery, which is really cool. This TVMS Rogue, this is actually has two of them stacked on top of each other. This is where you want to wire everything to. So your lights, your water, all your switches, your camp lights inside and outside, everything can be wired to here. I'm going to have a lot of camp lights. I'm going to have all my interior lights. I'm going to have a water tank that I'll be able to use to measure the water tank levels in there as well. REDARC makes a bunch of things. It has a very large ecosystem, which is one thing that I really like. I didn't want to piece a lot of separate companies and things together. So I'm going to be purchasing a sensor for the water tank, so that way I know where my level is. I'm going to have a 19-gallon water tank in here, so it's a little bit more than what I'm used to. So I want to be able to gauge how much water I have left, and if I need to refill it or whatever, I can quickly see that from here. And then another feature you can do with this is just dim your lights. So if I wanted to dim my camp lights on the outside, I could do that. Dim inside, so I'm going to be able to get rid of a lot of the switches that are on this truck already. So basically condensing everything into one unit where I can just visually see it from the RedVision here. And I use quality parts, cables, Blue Sea systems here. These are bus bars. So all your grounds are going to go here. This is going to be some of your power here. And then they have some really big fuses here. So if you have or will be running something that takes a lot of amperage, you can run that with these guys down here. And then you also have 3 extra big fuses here, so you can run larger appliances. I will have a 1000 watt microwave / air fryer that's going to run in here. I'm mainly going to be using that for when I don't want to be cooking outside. So if it's dumping snow or rain outside, I don't want to be cooking outside. The one thing I don't like to do is cook inside the camper where the smells will stick to the fabric, or grease from bacon or anything that's going to just splatter in there. So all my cooking is going to be outside. But when the weather's bad, I'll have the microwave / air fryer to quickly make stuff inside the vehicle. So I'll be able to run that off of a inverter that is not on the table here, but I have a 2000 watt inverter from REDARC that is coming as well that I'll be able to attach to this. So the inverter, what that does, it's basically your outlet, your AC outlet. So you can plug in like the microwave, for example, hair dryer, whatever you want to use, a blender. You can use the inverter to do so. Now let's talk about some of the other components of this. So these tracks right here, these tops are removable. And what this does is it lets you run wires and hide it easily with a clip just like that. So that way you can clean all your wire up and it looks professional. None of the wires are showing. One of the things that I dislike the most is just seeing wires that are running everywhere, crisscrossing, and it just doesn't look clean. So they put this channel here. You can run all your wires in and hide it, and it has a cover. So that way it just blends in. It's black, so that just kind of fades away. Over here, you have a resettable fuse. Your main power is going to be here as well. Like I said, these are big fuses. Here's another channel that hides the wire as well. So the main thing is you're going to be these 2 TVMS Rogues and the Alpha. And then right over here, we have a smart battery manager. This guy right here will tell you a lot of things on your battery. That's everything here. I will be mounting this whole setup right here on the passenger side window of the camper. It has a little nice slot that I'm making a whole panel for. It's going to be sitting right over there. So it's going to be out of the way of the interior living area. So that way it doesn't take any room when I'm actually inside the vehicle. But if I ever need access to it, I can just pop open this here and either inspect it for any issues or quickly add accessories to it. But if you're like me and you don't have a lot of knowledge in wiring and how all this stuff works, this is a great kit for you, especially if you're going to be looking for something that is premium and you want it to last and not have to really deal with a lot of headaches from figuring out all the wiring and all the relays and fuses and all that stuff. Everything is built in here. The TVMS Rogue eliminates all the need for relays and fuses and everything. Everything is smart and everything is in here already ready to go. So if you want a premium electrical system that is professionally looking and it doesn't turn into a month-long project, the QuickFit75 or 100 is the way to go. That's pretty much it for this video. I will make another one when we actually have a panel to mount into the truck, so that way we can show you guys what it looks like mounted in the vehicle, and then we'll also show when we actually wire up everything to our battery and get the inverter installed as well. So hopefully you guys are subscribed to the channel so that way you guys can follow along, and we'll see you guys next time.